Okay, I'm sorry. I've been keeping a big secret from you. I just felt like doing something from beginning to near the end and then showing it. So here it is. This is so funny. We used a lot of materials that we had left over. It just looks terrible from here, but it will be perfectly fine. And we've left that there unbuilt so that the plumber can pass his pipes. But it's just very funny to see something that nobody else will ever see once it's done. I'm here in the front room and we have reopened this channel and we have brought the hot and the cold water all the way down here, about 10 meters over to here. Looks pretty good. All it needs are sides and it's ready to be poured tomorrow. That he's a simera, that he's a dead. That he's dead, or simera. Here's more of what I like to call Flintstone building. Scrap wood, we make a mold, We're gonna pour cement. There's the hole for the sink. Everything the plumber has to do down there. As this little room gets closed up, it's getting darker and darker. It's getting to the point where we cannot work without an artificial light on. So, I get on the internet and order a skylight, a small one. Come up here to open the hole for a small skylight. Gotta figure out where the hole goes. Samudini kapion to preoni apokato panegalo. To preoni moine do ala preti kapi namudini. Ele going to preoni. Ok, bravo. Apla detto piano. Χωρίς να πέσει.
Τούτο εδώ. Με ρεύμα.
Ναι, έχει ρεύμα. Νομίζω.
Μισό λεπτό, μισό λεπτό.
Ευχαριστώ. Neatest job. Before putting the skylight in yesterday, I never would have guessed that the patch of sunlight from inside the bathroom, almost 4 meters away, would cast sunlight all the way out here. Super bonus. Exceeding expectations. That is much smaller than it looks. It's only 45 by 55. And this entire ceiling, including the beams, will be drywalled in. I don't think I expected such a big difference. Kita? Wel, ik zag niet aan voi voor spoeden niet hier. Pui mij go. Ora, camies que se me dan. Yes, Casey. You can actually see the difference from here. Look how much natural light is in here now. It used to be a very dark corner. An additional third bathroom. If you remember correctly, I had taken the window out of here and made a very thick wall. There were 2 steps here going up to that room. Let's go in from there so you can see what I'm doing here. Oh, and by the way, yes, of course, this dangerous electric meter live situation is still going on. Still waiting. So on our way in there, just let me show you what's going on here. Windows have been switched out and the floor has been completely laid and the grout will be finished on Monday and Tuesday of this week while I am baking on Kea. Now, the place has been spread into a way that the large furniture will be able to make its way in here because the next time I come here, the idea is that it will be with my furniture. So let's start where I left off. We have this room and this is an office, but it also is a guest room. And in order for that to be true, it would be nice for it to have its own bathroom so that this can be closed off with one door and the person up there has their ensuite bathroom and the person down here has their ensuite bathroom. The other idea is that when I'm very old, this will be an ideal place to enter the house. And that's why this has been left like this, because I'm actually going to make a steel ramp. So you'll have steps into the house and a ramp into the house. And here we are. It's not finished, as you can see, but there will be a sink with hot and cold water. There is a hanging toilet, the only one I have in this house. So the front will be covered with drywall. And then all of this will be tiled. There's a drain in the floor. And there's an kind of kitschy shower. You'll see that later. This was just grouted today, so I need to be careful. But yeah, so you can imagine the white tile against this floor. And a very simple white sink. And my signature white marble shelves. And these white marble shelves are from a sill that was left over. So I had it cut in half and got to use it here. So despite the fact that the shower is not finished, Nothing's finished. And I'm going to be tiling here. I've had him set it up temporarily so I can have a hot shower during the daytime only, not nighttime, because the new hot water heater can't be hooked up to the electricity yet because of the known problem. Sorry, I'm in the middle of having a snack. Acorn cookies, delicious. So the plumber has set me up temporarily until I get my act together and I tile here. I can have a shower though. Υπάρχει, αργότερο υπάρχει πρόβλημα αν βγάλω το αυτοκόλλητα.
Ποιο?
Το αυτοκόλλητα μπορεί να το βγάλω.
Κανένα.
Λέω μήπως. The solar hot water heater and the panels are installed, but they're not plugged into any electricity because I have the problem with the electricity. But I've been told that during the daytime, if it's sunny outside, I should be able to get hot water. It's boiling hot. Oh my God. Oh, I'm going to go take a shower right now. I can't believe it. Woohoo! I hope you enjoyed watching this as much as I enjoyed making it. Be sure to subscribe and like so that you're sure to see the next parts of this project. There is plenty more to come. Thanks for being here.